the subscribers, we really want to thank you guys for the support that you have given us. The table below shows the concentration of some ions in pond water and in the cell shape of an aquatic plant growing in a pond. So they are showing you a concentration of some ions in pond water, that is in water, and cell shape, that one is in aquatic plant, that is a plant that grow in water. So we have ions, different types. We have sodium, potassium, calcium, and chloride. We have concentration in pond water. This is how the concentration is in a pond water. Sodium is 50, potassium 2, calcium 1.5, chloride 180. In a concentration on cell sap or in the plant is sodium is 30, potassium is 150, calcium is 1, chloride is 200. You are told question number 1, name the process by which the following ions could have been taken up by this plant. Sodium ions, you can see the concentration in the pond water is 50 and in the plant sap is 30. That one is diffusion. What about potassium ions? Our plant took potassium ions. You can see the concentration in water is 2 and in a plant sap is 150. That process is active transport. Let's go to the next one. For each processes named in A Roman 1 and 2 above, state 1 concentration, state 1 condition necessary for the process to take place. What are the requirements for diffusion to take place and active transport to take place? Diffusion, a concentration gradient between the sodium in sap and those in the pond. Then active transport requires energy in the form of ATP must be available. Also oxygen and food in the living tissue for respiration or provide energy. Let's go to question number 13. Given that the diameter of the field of view of a light microscope is 2000 calculate the size of a cell in milliliters if 10 cells occupy the diameter of the field of view. If calculate the size of cell in milliliters if 10 cells occupy the diameter of the field of view. So how you calculate this one? You have size of one cell is equal to a diameter of field of view over the number of cells arranged across the diameter. You do the calculations, very simple calculations, and then you get the answer. Let's go to section B. We request you to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. To the subscribers, we request you one thing: kindly like this video, and it will be recommended to other viewers across the world. Question number 14. You are told the diagram below represent a traverse section through a plant. Organ, and you're told first of all look at the organ or the diagram. Look at how part J, part K, part L, part M. You're told from which plant organ was the section obtained. That one is root. Then number 2, you're told give two reasons for your answer in A above. Why have you said it is a root organ? And because there is presence of root hairs, you can see them, there is presence of endodermis, you can see that one. Presence of star-shaped, presence of xylem, star-shaped at the center, you can see it there. Then presence of phylum at the arms of the xylem. These are the phylum. This one is xylem. Let's go to the next question. Name the part labeled J, K, and L. J, K, and L. And J is epidermis. J is epidermis. K is phylum. L is here is xylem. Let's go to the next one. State two functions of the part labeled M. Part labeled M. Part labeled M is here. And what is the function of this part labeled M? The function of that one is to absorption of water and absorption of mineral salt. Question number 15. A solution of sugarcane was boiled with hydrochloric acid. A sodium carbonate was heated with the Benedict's solution. An orange precipitate was formed. Why was the solution boiled with hydrochloric acid? This question, they keep on repeating it, so it is good for you to master it. Why was the solution boiled with hydrochloric acid? This is to hydrolyze or break down the disaccharides, that is non-reducing sugars. Number 2, you are told to which class of carbohydrate does sugar in sugarcane belong. That one is non-reducing sugar. You are told number C, name the type of reaction that took place when simple sugars combine to form complex sugar. That one is condensation. The type of reaction that take place when a complex sugar is broken into simple sugars, that one is hydrolysis. Then you are told to state the form in which carbohydrates are stored in plant is stored in starch. Roman 2, in animals is stored as glycogen. Let's go to the next question. What do you expect to observe if starch was used instead of juice from a sugarcane? Explain. The color of Benedict solution would be retained. The starch cannot reduce the Benedict solution. Opening the stomata. We are through with this video. We thank you so much for watching. We hope that you have really benefited, and remember, we have said they keep on repeating these questions, and it will be good for you to keep on watching videos on biology. We have uploaded many of them here, and other subjects like chemistry, physics, mathematics, Kiswahili, and also set books. Those videos are here for you, and if you have not subscribed, we request you to take this opportunity, hit that subscribe button and like button. We want to really thank you so much, our subscriber, for taking your time to watch this video. Kindly like this video, and it will be recommended to other viewers across the world. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye for now.